Have you ever stopped to consider how vital oil is to our daily lives? It's more than just fuel for our cars. This black liquid is a linchpin in our world, permeating sectors far and wide. Picture this. You're driving an electric car, but even then, oil is indispensable. It's in the tires, the asphalt beneath them, the paint that coats your vehicle, and the plastic and leatherette that adorn its interior. Consider your morning routine. The cosmetics you use, the perfume you spray, all have oil as a key ingredient. Ever marvel at how fresh produce magically appears in your local store? Oil powers the transportation that makes this possible. And let's not forget its strategic importance in modern warfare. Without oil, tanks would stand still, planes and missiles would be grounded, ships would be docked and armies immobilized. Without oil, our world would look drastically different. But how did we come to rely so heavily on this resource? To understand our dependency on oil, we need to go back in time. Picture this. It's the mid-19th century, and a man named Edwin L. Drake strikes black gold. Yes, the first commercial oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, United States in 1859. This marked the birth of the modern oil industry, and since then, oil has been steadily shaping our world. Oil was initially used for lighting and lubrication, but with the advent of the Industrial Revolution, its importance grew exponentially. The invention of the internal combustion engine in the late 19th century led to a surge in demand for petroleum. Oil was the fuel that powered the machinery of the industrial age, driving economic growth and societal change on an unprecedented scale. But the story of oil doesn't stop there. Fast forward to the 20th century, and oil found itself at the center of global conflict. During the World Wars, control over oil reserves became a strategic imperative. It fueled tanks, planes, and ships, proving instrumental in determining the outcome of these historic conflicts. Oil's influence didn't wane in the post-war years. Instead, it found new applications in sectors ranging from plastics to pharmaceuticals, further embedding itself in the fabric of our everyday lives. The boom of the automobile industry and the rise of suburbia in the mid-20th century only cemented oil's role as a cornerstone of the modern world. The history of oil is a tale of innovation, conflict, and adaptation. From lighting our homes to powering our cars, from shaping global politics to sparking technological advancements, oil's influence is far-reaching and profound. It's not just a commodity, it's a catalyst for change, a driver of progress, and a symbol of human ingenuity. The history of oil is a rich and complex one, intertwined with the story of human progress. As we continue to explore the world of oil, remember this. Oil is more than just a resource. It's a testament to our capacity to harness the Earth's bounty for our own advancement. And that, my friends, is the power of oil. Getting oil out of the ground is no simple task. Indeed, it's a complex and meticulous process that starts with exploration. Geologists armed with the knowledge of geology and geophysics study the Earth's subsurface structures, searching for areas that might be rich in oil deposits. They use methods like seismic surveys, which involve sending shockwaves into the ground and studying the waves that bounce back to give an idea of what lies beneath the surface. But exploration is only the first step. Once a promising site is found, the next stage is drilling. This isn't your everyday drill we're talking about. It's a massive, high-powered drill that bores into the earth, often several kilometers deep, to reach the oil-bearing rocks. The drilling process can take weeks or even months, all while battling extreme temperatures, high pressures, and the inherent unpredictability of the Earth's structure. Once the oil is reached, the extraction begins. The pressure within the oil reservoir often helps push the oil towards the surface. But as the pressure drops, methods like water or gas injection or even heat are used to extract as much oil as possible. The oil that is extracted isn't ready for use just yet. It's a crude mixture of hydrocarbons and needs to be refined. This is where the refining process comes in, separating the crude oil into different components based on their boiling points. The final products range from gasoline and diesel, to jet fuel and heating oil, to asphalt and other heavy products. But this process isn't without its challenges. There are environmental implications to consider, such as the risk of oil spills, air and water pollution, and habitat disruption, and then there's the matter of the finite nature of oil. We're extracting it at a rate much faster than it's being formed, which raises questions about sustainability and the future of our energy needs. Extracting oil is a monumental feat of engineering, one that comes with its own set of challenges. But it's these challenges that drive us to innovate, to find better, more sustainable ways of powering our world. Because, like it or not, oil is the lifeblood of our modern civilization. Once extracted, oil finds its way into almost every aspect of our lives. This dark, viscous liquid is far more than just the gasoline that fuels our cars, or the diesel that powers our trucks. It's the lifeblood of our modern world, a key ingredient in countless products and processes that we rely on every day. Imagine waking up in the morning. Your alarm clock, your toothbrush, even the shampoo in your shower, all contain components derived from oil. As you head to your kitchen for breakfast, consider the plastic packaging on your cereal box, the non-stick coating on your frying pan, even the synthetic fibers in your clothes, all made possible by oil. It doesn't stop there. Oil is used to manufacture medicines, fertilizers, and synthetic materials like plastic, rubber, and polyester. It's in the asphalt we drive on, the paint on our walls, even the ink in our pens. But the uses of oil go beyond the tangible. It is the backbone of our industrial and economic activities. It fuels our power plants, heats our homes, and powers our factories. It enables the transportation of goods across vast distances, connecting the world in a web of trade and commerce. Moreover, oil is not just a crucial economic resource, it's a strategic one as well. It powers our military machines, from tanks and planes to ships and submarines. Without oil, our defense capabilities would be severely limited. And yet, despite its ubiquity, oil is a finite resource. Every barrel we extract brings us closer to the day when we'll need to find alternatives, but for now it remains an integral part of our lives. In essence, oil is more than just a commodity. It's a catalyst for development, a driver of progress, a cornerstone of our modern civilization. Its versatility and indispensability are what make it such a crucial resource. Oil is an incredibly versatile resource, one that we have come to depend on heavily. But what does the future hold for oil? As we gaze into the crystal ball of the oil industry, it's important to consider the growing prominence of renewable energy sources, the pressing concerns of climate change, and the rapid pace of technological advancements. The oil industry, like many others, is in a state of flux. The rise of renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric power is disrupting the traditional energy landscape. These alternatives offer a cleaner, more sustainable way to produce energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Yet the transition won't be without its challenges. Infrastructure, cost, and efficiency are all hurdles to be overcome. Climate change is an existential threat that's forcing us to rethink our energy consumption. As we become more environmentally conscious, the demand for oil could decrease. However, oil's versatility and its omnipresence in our daily lives make it a tough act to follow. From the fuel in our cars to the plastic in our everyday items, oil's reach is far and wide. It's this ubiquity that makes it so challenging to replace. Technology, the great disruptor, is also playing its part. Advancements in battery technology and electric vehicles are slowly chipping away at oil's dominance in the transportation sector. Breakthroughs in biofuels and hydrogen are also promising, offering potential oil alternatives. Yet despite these advancements, oil's reign is far from over. The world's energy needs are vast and growing, and oil for the foreseeable future will continue to play a significant role in meeting these demands. The potential for oil alternatives is exciting, yet the transition away from oil is a colossal task. It's a journey fraught with economic, environmental, and geopolitical implications. It will take time, resources, and a collective global effort. But the wheels of change are in motion. The future of oil is uncertain, but one thing is clear: our relationship with this vital resource will continue to shape our world. The story of oil is far from over. It's a narrative that's intertwined with our past, present, and future, a testament to the enduring power of this black gold. So, what have we learned about oil? We've journeyed through time, tracing oil's history from its ancient uses to its role in powering the modern world. We've delved beneath the Earth's surface, witnessing the intricate process of extracting this black gold. We've discovered the myriad applications of oil, beyond the obvious fueling of our cars. It's in the roads we drive on, the tires we roll on, the products we use every day, and even in the cosmetics that enhance our appearance. We've also peeked into the crystal ball, exploring the potential future of oil. Despite the growing emphasis on renewable energy, oil's importance remains undiminished, underscoring its role as the lifeblood of our global economy. And let's not forget, it's the key resource of modern warfare, powering our tanks, planes, and ships. As we continue to navigate our complex relationship with oil, it's clear that this resource has, and will continue to have, a profound impact on our world.